One more cut to get. See what we can do. Not yielding too bad so far. Got the wall 11:35. Gale disc mine, lots of wind, and a little bit of sunshine. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, here's what we got this year. 8.5 rows. A lot better than last year. Raked up pretty good. Should make a goddamn deer. Should make about a load. We got the 11.35 with the new rim. Threw some paint on there. The John Deere chopper 3940, I think it is. Still has the manual controls on it, and archway wagon. See what happens. Thought I'd get done before the sun went down, but not quite. I don't know if that's picking up that. Not too bad at sunset. Sure did cool off. Now, after chores, things went, yeah, they went. Until they didn't. Things must have got a little wet. I was trying to finish up, and well, the pipe is plugged. The plug is piped. Yeah, that's how the evening went. Well, yeah, that's how she went. Wagon's over, yeah, over there and stuff. Well, I have to unclog this and I guess try again tomorrow. There, chute's all cleaned out. That wasn't too bad. But, like I suspected, and then there, can't see. Anyway, even busted some shear bolts. I did a really good job. Yeah, I got her all put back together. See when we can make a go at it again. Here's how we ended up. That was fuller than that. Anyway, it settled out. I don't know if this is going to be a good idea or not. I did it before. I didn't think this was that wet, but that over there is steaming and moldy. I dug down there a little bit. That fermented. I don't know. We'll see. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, put some hay bales up on the hay wagon. I fed out of this for a week. Yeah, a week. So, yeah, it fared pretty good. I probably should have filled the silage wagon up the whole way, but yeah, got lots of